Take a look at this fabulous home that's just about to come on the market in Nature's Cove area of sort of just outside of Huntsville, just about 10 minutes to downtown. And this home is really fabulous. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a little over 2,300 square feet. And it's a little cloudy today, so I'm gonna pop in some spring pictures for you to see. The landscaping is just awesome on this home. Nothing else like it here in this little area. Okay, let's go in and take a look. So when you come in, got these gorgeous tall ceilings, and they've added the wainscoting. This is something the builder did not do. They added, and they have crown mold and hardwood floors. Big spacious foyer. And if we go right over this direction, there's a drop zone. This goes out to the garage, but we will check that out a little later. And lots of storage in this home. Coat closet, laundry room here, extra cabinets, and look at this storage area off the laundry room. It's like an extra pantry. And they have a cutoff here in the laundry room so you can cut your water off in the house in case of an emergency. So tile in the laundry room, tall 9-foot ceilings in the laundry room, 10-foot in the foyer. So now we're in the living room area. We've got the tall 10-foot ceilings here, the tall windows, lots of extra light, open floor plan, just a huge area here, gas logs, plenty of room, hardwood floor, crown molding, then on to the kitchen. Got the large island here. It's plenty of room for 4 chairs, granite, beautiful backsplash. And look at these appliances. These are not the builder grade appliances. These have been added afterwards, and you've got a gas cooktop, gas oven, and a upgraded dishwasher. The refrigerator conveys. There is a pantry. Nice pantry. And 9-foot ceilings in the kitchen and dining area. This door goes out to just a gorgeous screen porch. We'll go out there in just a little bit. But this is a beautiful, beautiful home. Now we are in the primary bedroom. Again, we have the hardwood floors, nice spacious room, crown molding, tray ceiling, ceiling fan. The drapes do not convey. They go with their bedspread, so the drapes will not be here. On into the primary bathroom, double vanities. There's a little linen closet, a separate tub with a tile surround. Like new, everything's like new in this house. Very well maintained. Tile shower with the glass doors. And a nice, spacious walk-in closet. So there is the master or the primary bathroom. And we'll take a quick look right back here at the 3 extra bedrooms and the secondary bathroom, which also has double sinks, tile floor. Again, this tub shower unit is like new. There is a linen closet in this area. And these 3 bedrooms all have carpet, and 2 of them have their own walk-in closet. Nice spacious rooms, 9-foot ceilings still in here, and hardwood in the hallway. Okay, now let's take a look at this screen porch. Look how spacious this is and clean. It's like new. And this added patio is just absolutely fantastic. Look at this gorgeous yard. All of this yard is a part of this property, and it goes back toward, there's a little creek back there. Very private backyard. The landscaping, again, is just awesome. There's been a lot of time and effort spent getting this wonderful landscaping done. A walkway all the way from the back to the front. Full brick home. So really, there's nothing like this house out there. So this is a great home just coming up in the Nature's Cove area, just a few minutes from downtown Huntsville. We're going to be on the market this weekend. April 13th and 14th, we'll be having an open house from 2 to 4, both of those days. So come by and check us out. Nature's Cove is a very popular neighborhood. There's not a lot of properties that come up in here for sale, so don't miss out on this one. The association fees are just $5.15 a year. The neighborhood has a pool and a clubhouse. You're going to love this home. It is one of a kind.